What's up, Savvy Expats? Today, we are getting an exclusive look into one of Ayala Land's most prestigious condos, going for 70 million pesos, or roughly $1.4 million, in the most renowned business district in the Philippines, Makati City. That said, if you're looking to live or invest in the central financial hub of the Philippines, then this condo is worth considering. That said, let's check out this stunning residence. Alright everyone, so upon walking into your luxurious condo here at Parkford Suites, a few key details that would be pertinent for us to mention. Now, I know the price tag I mentioned earlier is actually quite hefty, especially for the Philippines. It's roughly 70 million pesos or $1.4 million for this unit, but I want you to just take a note of the absolute magnitude of this space. And while most condos, let alone houses in the Philippines, don't offer much space, this condo affords you 181 square meters. Or in square feet, nearly 2,000 square feet, which is just practically a house in the sky. And so this development, which is nestled in the upper class residential neighborhood of Makati City, is called Parkford Suites. Parkford Suites is an Alveo development under Ayala Land, putting it in one of the highest upper echelons of Ayala. In other words, this condo was constructed by the most well-esteemed and established development company in all of the Philippines. Now, what does this mean for you? Well, for one, your location of this condo hardly gets any better than this. Now, Legazpi Village is an upper-class neighborhood located in Makati's central business district. With the many pedestrian and dog-friendly parks, the Sunday market, cafes, and coffee shops, this neighborhood within Makati is definitely the homier side of the bustling metropolis. It's quiet on this side of the city, it's peaceful, and more of a residential vibe akin to that of a condo in Central Park, for example. Meanwhile, in the rest of Makati, you'll find more young working professionals in corporate offices. So now that you got an idea of the prominent location of this condo, let's move on to the kitchen. As you can see off the bat, this kitchen offers an abundance of not only counter space, but also cabinet space. And bear in mind, we are in a model unit, so small decorations like this that you see here will not be included in the rest of our condo tour. Anyhow, a few things within your open layout kitchen. You have this beautiful peninsula countertop, giving you enough space to chop up and prepare your meals. And so these specific counters are ceramic, and what's also nice is that not only do you have space to dine at your dining table, but you can also pull up a stool like this to dine at your countertop. Other than that, you also have sufficient space for your cutlery with these cabinet spaces down here, or your dishes and your silverware with the cabinet spaces up here. So plenty of storage space within your kitchen. Alright, now before we move on to our living room, I want you to note that you're not just paying for your premium residential neighborhood within the city, but most especially your exclusivity. What do I mean by this? Well, there's only 7 units per floor here at Parkford Suites, so you're afforded the exclusivity of only having 6 neighbors near you. That said, you don't have to worry about having your own peace, quiet, and solitude within a bustling metropolis. Additionally, if you do decide to invest in a 3-bedroom unit within Parkford Suites, you'd be the only resident to get a balcony facing Legazpi Park. Now, before we move into your spacious living room, I'd like to quickly cover the maid's quarters. So your maid's quarters is actually quite spacious, to the point where even your house help has more living space than people living in smaller developments within the city. And so here we have a small bed and also enough storage space to store your washer, dryer, and any other items that you like to store. And if you're not one to hire house help, you can easily use this as a storage room to put any items that you'd like to store in here. And the last note about your maid's quarters is that it also has its own ensuite bathroom. Now, walking from your maid's quarters into your living room, we're immediately greeted with a vast space to lounge in. First off, this condo has enough space to accommodate a sizable 8-person dining table like this without overcrowding the centerpiece of the unit. Additionally, we walk further back and we can take note of these small details like these ceilings with the ambient lighting setting a very calming vibe and mood to the condo. Other than that, this model unit presents itself as a potential way that you can furnish your future unit. For example, right over here we have the couches with ample space to fit many people here alone just to lounge and relax. Another couch right here, coffee table, and then across from that is your TV. And a spectacular aspect about the 3-bedroom unit at Parkford Suites is these large windows. So not only do you have a balcony to look upon Makati's busy city, but also large windows that let in an abundance of natural light. All in all, there's no shortage of space to make this feel like a large home in the sky within Manila's most distinguished zip code. So that's the living room, very spacious, very beautiful. Now let's head into this bedroom right here, closest to the living room. All right, so walking into your first bedroom, nearest to the living room, we find an ample amount of space. This is enough space to fit one of your children, or maybe even two of your children, because at the end of the day, this is a 2,000 square foot condo. So as you can see, this closet will come with your unit, but little touches like this sort of leather back wall right here will not come with, because it's just a model unit. If you want to add a lampstand or extra storage space or desk space for your child to work at once he's done with school, then you can also furnish your unit accordingly to how you please. But what's beautiful about this first bedroom is, as you can see, we have a decent amount of window space. So this would let in a lot of natural light, and just imagine looking over the view of Legazpi Park and the bustling city of Makati with the high rises. And as you notice about your room is that there's enough space to fit a king size bed. Now something I noticed, guys, is that having a king or queen size bed in a condo, specifically in Manila, is quite rare. So this in and of itself is a luxury. All right, now let's head into your first bathroom. And by the way, there's actually 4 bathrooms within this condo. I was mistaken, not 3, but 4, and that's still excluding the maid's bathroom. So as you notice, very high quality materials. You have this porcelain style walls, and also this Durabit sink, which is one of the highest quality sinks and toilets that you can purchase. Of course, of a day. This is the Philippines, so that's a requisite. And also your rain head shower and hose. High quality bathroom, very great materials. Something to note is that the turnover date of this condo is in 2028 and 2029. So everything that you're getting is going to be up to date and modern. All right, so we're going to continue walking. And so in this hallway behind me, like I said, we have the master bedroom. To the left of me, we have the second bedroom. And then what can be shared for everybody within the household is this pod room. Now this is a great bathroom for the guests to access because it's very easily accessible from the living room outside of us, and also the kitchen. So what I like about this pod room is, number one, of course, you know, it's a very large mirror, high quality porcelain walls, like I said, the Durabit sink and toilet. Really, what more can you ask for, especially with the ambient lighting under the mirror? So outside the pod room, we walk across the hallway, and that leads us into our second bedroom. And so heading into the second bedroom, this would be the absolute perfect room for the kids. Let me show you why. So first off, you have the closet space here to my left, and when you potentially furnish your turnover unit, you could add some desk space for the kids. This would be a perfect room for 2 people, because here we have the twin beds. These twin beds just really add enough space for you to add maybe 4 to 5 people, maybe even 6 people within your household in this condo if you really need that much space. Right over here, there's enough space and storage for your bookshelves. And then once again, the large floor-to-ceiling windows that let in an abundance of natural light and a beautiful view of Makati. Now, the last thing I want to note about this room, before we get to the bathroom, the ensuite bathroom, is the ambient lighting. Again, I love the ambient lighting that just sets the tone and the vibe of this room. All right, now let's show you the bathroom. So walking down this little hallway of the twin room, we're led to our third bathroom of the unit, except this room is an ensuite bathroom. Just like the first one that we looked at, it's around the same size. Again, the same material and quality, the Durabit sinks, the porcelain walls, the rain head shower, and the toilet. So all in all, beautiful bathroom as well, same size. Now let's go ahead into your master bedroom. So walking into your master bedroom, you have the option to take a left, and that's where you're gonna find your closet space as well as the ensuite bathroom. But as for the rest of the master bedroom, I'm taken back by the sheer size of this unit. Now granted, although it's not a wide unit, it does go very far back, so it's a long unit. As a matter of fact, you'll notice behind me that it is a corner unit, so it lets in an abundance of natural light, and also you just see a better view of the entire city when you wake up to a beautiful, gorgeous city skyline. So right over here, there's enough space to fit a queen-size bed. And then another thing I mentioned earlier is that here at Parkford Suites, there's only balconies for the 3-bedroom units. If you do buy a 2-bedroom unit, there won't be a balcony that comes with that. And as per the inspiration of this model unit, there's enough space to fit your little couch, a lampstand, as well as the TV, and even a little workspace for you to get some work done within your master bedroom. Now, let's go take a look at your master ensuite bathroom. So we walk towards the exit and entry of the master bedroom, and this is where you're gonna find right away upon entry the closet space. This has a lot more closet space than the rest of the rooms over here. And walking into your master bathroom, this one just blows away all the master bathrooms I've toured here in the Philippines. Why? Because of these twin sinks, the beautiful ambient lighting coming in behind the mirrors. Of course, like I mentioned earlier, the Duravit toilet and sinks, as well as the rain head shower. And all in all, you'll just notice that every material that they use is modern, it's up to date, it's high quality here at Parkford Suites. So this bathroom, a lot bigger, and if you're with your loved one, you have the twin sinks to get ready together. Beautiful bathroom. All right, so that just about wraps up what 70 million pesos or $1.4 million gets you in the most prestigious and distinguished zip code in the Philippines, in Makati. Again, this is the business district, so you can understand why this is priced this high. Imagine getting 2,000 square feet of a condo in Manhattan or New York City. That's pretty much the equivalent here in the Philippines. Now, I want to quickly introduce you to somebody before we go. All right, so as we end, allow me to acquaint you with your Alveo realtor.
Hello everyone, I'm Kent Laureta. I'll be your Alveo realtor. My email is contactkentl.alveo@gmail.com.
And so I'll leave all of Kent's contact information in this link in the description, his phone number, as well as his email. And whether it be buying this condo, this 3-bedroom condo at Parkford Suites, or any other Alveo property, Kent is your guy, and you can definitely trust him for that. So thank you guys for watching. We hope you enjoyed this video, and we'll see you in the next one. God bless.
You.